Let's get into the most interesting part, which is creating your own design. So let me quickly go to the spyglass here and then search for the format of Facebook post. Let's say I want to create a Facebook post to be used on my own handle. And let us say I want to create a Happy New Year poster. So let me quickly search all the posters out there. It is not mandatory for you to only select those posters which have the text of Happy New Year. You can select any which poster and then make changes accordingly. So let me just select whatever um, looks good to me. Okay, let us say I like this poster. Let me just click on it. It will take a bit of a second to load. Now, if you look at this poster, since you are a new account, Canva will also give you step-by-step detail regarding how you can modify this poster. But I don't want to follow this. So let me just click on the into screen. Okay, now if you look at this poster has 3 different images in it. So what you can do is you can either remove the images and then put the text accordingly. So if I select on the aspect and then click on delete on my laptop, then as you can see, this is an image and this is my text. So let me just quickly remove all the 3 images because these are not relevant to my new year. And let me just keep the text for now. So one of the ways is either you can add another image in this image transition format that is already there. If you don't want to add any images at this point of time, then you can just click on delete and everything will be removed. Okay, so let us say I want to go ahead and then just remove the images. Then let me just click on this particular aspect. Make sure you're selecting the right element that you want to work with. Then I just click on this and then do the delete part. Now I have to add another image to this because I cannot just keep it blank, right? So let me quickly go to photos. As you can see, one of the menu items to your left is photos, and I want something which is representative of New Year. So let me just put New Year. So one of the representations of New Year is, of course, your celebrations or your firework. Again, when you come to images or the photos that you can use in Canva, again, there are 2 different versions. One is the free version and one is the paid version. As you can see, you can put your cursor on the image and it will show you whether it is a free. The crown version, the crown actually represents the Canva Pro, which is nothing but the paid version of the image. So since I want only free images, I can click on the free one and then just drag it and drop it in the element. Okay, so again, in the second one, I want this image to be removed and represented by something else, which showcases that New Year celebrations are on the way. So I have removed the image. Let me quickly go and check if there is something else that represents New Year for me. This looks good because this is also celebration and it has a cap which says New Year. Now let me just quickly drag and drop that here. And for the third image, let me quickly remove this and again see. Okay, so this seems like a cool image as well, but let me check if there is something else that I might like. So, okay, gifts. Gifts is a nice image, but may not be representative. Okay, this looks cool, so let me just drag and drop it here. Now that we have our images sorted, what we can do is now we can work on text. So whenever you put your cursor on your text element, it gets highlighted. You can remove it. You can say I want to add Happy New Year. So I can just drag this so that it sits appropriately in its relevant block. Again, just drag, resize this. You can also use this to resize it. And then 2021. Okay, now if you can see, this is a bit bigger, whereas this is a bit smaller. So probably I want all my text to be of the same size. In that case, what I can do is I can look at the size of this here, 65.4, and this is around 121. So whenever you highlight a specific area of the poster which has text, it will actually show you the font size as well. So because this is 121 and this is 65, I want to use the same size of this. So what I can do is, there is a cool new trick wherein you can just, highlight this and then you can just type in 65.4 and then it just resizes it. And do the same here. Okay, just making it a little better. Cool. There you go. 3 different images with the appropriate text, and the images also representing the celebrations that you have for New Year. And once you are done with your design, you can directly click on the small arrow which represents your download option. Or nowadays, Canva also gives you an opportunity wherein you can directly publish whatever you create in Canva to the relevant social media platforms. You just need to connect your social media platforms to your Canva account. We'll look at that feature in a bit. But right now, let us say I just want to download it. I click on the small arrow and then it shows me my file type. Okay, so since PNG is the file type which has the highest resolution, I would like to keep it as PNG. Again, as you can see in the file types, you will have all these different file types, and Canva will also suggest what is the most appropriate file type to use depending on the kind of whether it could be your social media posters, whether it could be your ebooks, whether it could be your videos. Depending on whatever you're trying to create in Canva, Canva will also suggest to you the most appropriate format. So my suggestion for all of you would be just follow with whatever Canva suggests because they know what works best. So let me just keep it at PNG and then click on download. As you can see, my poster that I have created is now downloading. I want to open it so all of us can see how it looks like. Let me click on that. And this is how it looks like. Now you can directly go to your Facebook and you can publish this. So that's it, folks. It is so easy to create your own design using Canva. Now, in the next video, we will also look at how we can add stickers to your poster so it looks much better, because all of us have seen those cute, gooey kind of stickers, and we have all been apprehensive, or we have all been wondering how that can be achieved. So stay tuned for our next video in which we will show you how to add stickers to your specific design. In the last video, we have created this Happy New Year poster. And in this video, we will try to understand how to add those cute, gooey little stickers that we find on social media posters nowadays, which we have always wondered from where do these people get access to the stickers, right? Don't worry, those features are all available in your Canva free account. So I'm going to go ahead and make changes to my Happy New Year poster only. I still like this design, so I'm going to still keep it the way that it is. But now to this, I would like to add some stickers to make it much more appealing and much more cuter. So the way to do it is, on the left side, you find all these menu bar items. And one of the items that you can see is elements. So click on elements. And as soon as you click on elements, you find all these different variations of elements that you can add on your posters. Number one is lines. All those small arrows that you can see, you can actually add those using lines. Shapes is another of those elements that you could add. Frames, and now you can see stickers, right? So this is a small list of the available stickers in Canva. We will also talk about all the above elements, lines, shapes, and frames in another video. But for this video, let us stay with our stickers. So I want to see all the stickers that are available. So I'll just click on the small icon, see all, just beside stickers. So if you click on it, you will find a wide range of stickers that are available for you. But again, the criteria here is there are free stickers and there are paid options available. So if you want to specifically know which stickers are available for free, just put your cursor on that specific sticker and you can see whether it shows free or paid. So as of now, most of these are free, as you can see. So I could use any one of these. Now, one of the aspects of New Year, if you look at it, is probably friends, right? So let me just see if there is any sticker on friends. So if you don't see or if you don't want to go through the whole range of stickers out there, you can also go ahead and search for it. So what you can do is just go here and in the search bar, just put friends and stickers. Because I just don't want to put friends. In that case, it will search everything. I just want to search for friends in stickers. And this is what Canva is showing me. As you can see, this particular sticker I cannot use because it is a pro version. That means it has to be paid for. But I can see these small faces. They can represent my friends. So probably I'll just pull these here. I will drag and drop the specific sticker. And then what I will do is I would have to resize it so it looks better. So let me just put it here, resize the happy element as well. So it is not overpowered by the sticker. Okay, and you could actually tilt a bit so that it doesn't look too static. Okay, so as you can see, I can tilt this here. Now, since I have added an element here, probably I would like to add an element at the last block so that it actually stabilizes or it actually makes the whole poster look better or look synchronized that way. So since I have added a girl, let me just go ahead and add a boy here. So I will just drop the sticker here, resize it accordingly, then add it to the last block here. I have to resize my text as well. Just resize it a bit so it doesn't look too big. Now I can also tilt this a bit. Let us say since I have tilted that one this way, let me just tilt this one and I can again resize it. Okay, let me just click out of the box and see how it looks. Okay, probably I would like to add a few other stickers as well. So let me just look at the ones that are available here. This is all about your creativity, guys, so you can add whatever you want. I generally like the sparkles a lot, so let me just add the sparkles. I can resize the sparkles so that I can add one element to my New Year text as well, because I don't have anything. I have a girl here, I have a boy here, but I don't have anything here. So let me just add sparkles to my New Year text, put it up in a block like this. Okay, size this a bit here, probably. Yes. So this is how it looks like now. Now, when you have added this, there is a little change that has happened to this specific poster, because we have added stickers which are supposed to be animations. This poster now becomes a video. So as you can see, there is a small icon here at the top with the play button. Again, one more way is if you just can click on the download button. Now it shows that the format has changed to a MP4 video. That is the suggested format, because these elements, right, these stickers and all, they're actually moving, they're not static like these ones. So if you add these ones which are not moving at all, then the format of this poster would be a PNG format. But since these are moving, the stickers here and here, now it has become a video format. So you can also download a video format, not an issue at all. And the file format will be different now. It will show you as a MP4 video. You can download this and then just publish it to your Facebook or to whichever social media platform you want this. Because this is a Facebook poster template, I am going to publish this to my Facebook, but let me just quickly download it and show it to you how it looks. So I've clicked on download. It is downloading now. Let me just open it once it downloads, and then I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so rather than save, let me just quickly say open. It is going to open with QuickTime Player. The reason being it is an MP4 format. Let me quickly open, click on the play button, and then this is how it looks. So that's it, guys. It is as easy as that, adding those cute GUI stickers onto your specific design for your social media posters. In the next video, we will look at adding different shapes to your posters, so that you don't have to adhere to whatever templates Canva is giving you, but you can create your own templates.